Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I couldn't stop myself as I got this Ergon GP5 large size standard grips in my hand. Like I was thinking to make a complete video on the parts what I'm getting for my bicycle. By the way, I just got the track bicycle. I'll be showing in the near future as I finish the conversion from a hybrid bike to a touring bike. So I'm just on my way to accumulate the stuff for my bike. So yeah, these are the grips which I got because it has got a flat handlebar, and I needed the grips because I have seen these grips on my friend's bike, his Kamranan bike. So yeah, I was really interested to get these grips. I was thinking to make a video after the complete conversion of a bike from hybrid bike to touring bike, but I couldn't stop myself as I got these grips in my hand. The quality is amazing, and I hope that they will reduce the pressure which I get on my hands while riding. uh, Hopefully it will work. And as far as the quality is concerned, they are amazing, and I've seen lots of positive reviews about Ergon bike grips, and I got them like large size. I was wondering that the size, whether it will fit in my hands or not. But yeah, I've got this size chart which is available on their website. I measured my hand, and then I got the right size, and quality is amazing. I didn't open them, and I'm not a person like unboxing style type videos. But yes, I will make a video about complete conversion, as I am on my way to get the racks and panniers and stuff like that. So as I complete it, I will definitely make a video to show you guys that what bike it is, and how many things I have changed on my bike. Yeah, so that was a short video just to show you, because I was super happy to show you this. I couldn't stop myself to record a video. Even I am recording with my cell phone. I didn't mount the camera on my tripod, and which I usually do before making a video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.